Hi guys, another truck video from me, Jack. Sorry I haven't done one in a while, been busy with other things. Right, we've got another truck, and this is the Scania 770S 6x4. I'd never thought that we'd get this truck on the channel, but we're going to do a build series on this truck, and I'm going to do something a bit special with this. I'm going to make it into a T-cab. So the next gen T-cab, we're going to make it into that. So that involves moving the cab back and putting the bullnose bonnet on. So we're going to do that on this channel. So this is going to be a build series of how I'm going to build this. There's a few videos on YouTube already, so you can go have a look at those and show you what's going to be involved. So we've got in this package, we've got 2 servos, which are here, some core RC servos. These are good servos. They've been in some of my trucks and had a problem with them at all. There's also a Hobbywing 1060 brushed electronic speed controller, which is there. And we've also got a controller for all the operations on the truck, the lights, the fifth wheel and the workings of the truck. This is a Carson Reflex Stick 2. So these are good. I've got one on my R series, which is up on my shelf there. They are good remotes. And also a battery, 3000 milliamp 7.2 volt battery. These are good batteries as well. So what you get in the box is you get quite a bit in the box. All the parts that you need to build, which I'll show you now. So you get windscreens and all the glasses for the cab. The cab itself, which is there. I will be showing you this in depth when we're going through it, but just to give you an idea what's inside the box. So you've got your fifth wheel on your part tree there, all the lights just there. What else have we got here? Some other chrome parts. Nice that you get to see some Scania 3D emblems there. So that's a nice touch from Tamiya. All these catwalk parts and steps, all on these part trees here. What else have we got? We've got differential covers there, gearbox covers in that one, which you can just see there. But yeah, like I said, we will be going through this when we're building the truck, just to give you an idea what's to come up. So there are your wheels there. They do a really nice job of packing all these products, the Tamiya. There your rear dualies in that box. Parts for your gearbox and stuff like that, all on these part trees. You get the top line cab with your air deflector kit there. So the cab, it is in a couple of different parts, which is unusual. Which you get your top line cab, the front part of the top line cab and the air deflector kit. Whereas some kits, they all come together. But yeah, there's all your wing mirrors and grille parts in that one. I mean, there is YouTube videos going in depth if you really want to see, but I just thought I'd show you what's in the box that I got. So there are all your light bars and all the chrome parts on the box, which is showing there, and your light bar there and the light bar at the top. It's nice to see that they're coming with light bars now and not just a plain looking truck. But yeah, you get your interior, which is there, your seats, steering wheel and dashboard, all in there. Absolutely loads of parts in here, guys. Like, this is my first time going to build one of these, so yeah, that's all front parts, front bumper, front arches, side skirts. What else have we got in here? You've got your steering and cross members in that bag, sorry, there. And what's in this box? Need some scissors. What have we got in here? Oh, so this is your mud flaps, your lenses for your lights, just there. Lenses for the rear lights. Your mud guards, and what else have we got in there? Yeah, just mud guards in that one. Yeah, lenses, your fifth wheel. There, look. It's all very nicely packaged by Tamiya. But yeah, that's that box. You've got the manual. You've got the manual and stickers in the rear. Scania Vabis. So if you've got any ideas for me, guys, of what I can do for this truck, like we could go and get it airbrushed with trucks on of my previous trucks. Yeah, just give me ideas. So if you like the video, guys, just give us a thumbs up, like it, subscribe if you haven't done already. Yeah, that's my unboxing of the Scania 770S 6x4. So we will be going in depth with this build series. Like I say, I'm new to this. I have bought trucks in the past, but I've only bought them built. So I thought I'm going to build my first truck, and I thought it'd be a Scania, because Scania is my favourite truck. And yeah, so yeah, like and subscribe, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao for now, guys.